today's class will be on Fdi system of tooth numbering, which is applicable for the primary dentition as well as permanent dentition. Before going into this topic, kindly see the video which is related to the tooth nomenclature so that you will understand this chapter very well. So the tooth numbering system has two digits. The first digit will represent the quadrant and the second digit will represent the tooth number. So the quadrant for the primary dentition, the quadrant numbering will be for the 6, 7, 8, 9. That is, maxillary right will be 5, maxillary left will be 6, and the mandibular left will be 7, and the mandibular right will be 8. These are the first digit given for the primary dentition according to the quadrants. So coming to the permanent dentition, it will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 as I mentioned earlier. Okay. So the tooth numbering will depend upon the midline. Okay. When you split arbitrarily the maxillary arch into 2, the first tooth in the arch is given number 1, and the second tooth in the arch will be given 2, and the third tooth, that is the canine, will given 3, and a fourth number will given 4. Okay, totally 20 teeth, so 5 in each quadrant will be given. Okay, in the permanent dentition, since it is 32 teeth, each quadrant will have 8 numbers. The second digit will be depending upon which number of tooth. For example, if it is 4, that is the fourth tooth in the arch is the first premolar in the permanent dentition. Okay, this is the second digit I am saying. So for example, we will be seeing the notation will look like this in the primary dentition, starting from 5, 1, that is 5 means fifth quadrant. 5 is the quadrant number and 1 is the tooth number, central incisor. So 5, 3 means it is the maxillary right canine primary tooth. Okay, we will see the permanent dentition. For example, it starts from 1, 1 to 1, 8, like that, 2, 1 to 2, 8. For example, 3, 4 means, what does it mean? It is the mandibular left first premolar. Okay, in the permanent dentition, this is the third quadrant and the fourth tooth in the arch. Okay, so this is the Fdi system. So how do you pronunciation is very important. When you say this tooth numbering, you should not say, for example, if it is 62, you have to say as 62. 62, you should not say like 62. You should not say. Okay, 62 is right. Okay, and then when you come to the permanent dentition also, if for example consider 1, 8. Okay, it's a maxillary right third molar. So we have to say as 1, 8. We shouldn't say like 18. Okay, so this is the overall view of Fdi system. Thank you.